Welcome to Zach's pronunciation. The name of the goalkeeper of the Netherlands national football team is pronounced in his native language Dutch as Robin Roofs. 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 Robin Roofs is a Dutch goalkeeper regarded as one of the Netherlands' brightest young goalkeeping talents. He is known for his reflexes, composure, and ability to play out from the back. Robin Roofs. Robin Roofs. Robin Roofs. Robin Roofs. He is an excellent shot stopper with quick reflexes, strong in one-on-one situations, comfortable with the ball at his feet, commands his penalty area well on crosses, calm and confident under pressure. Robin Roofs. Robin Roofs. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zach's pronunciation to learn the pronunciation of the names of football players. See you in the next video.